Hey guys, I just wanted to share this with my fellow content creators. I had got some copyright claims during gameplay for songs that were built into this game I was playing, and I submitted disputes for free use. And you could see here that I got this email today releasing the copyright claim from whoever put it on me. And so my advice to you is, just because you get a copyright claim on a video or a live stream, don't delete your content right away and lose your watch time and your views and your likes and everything else. Try and dispute it, because especially if you're a gamer and it's a song that's built into the game that you're playing, because the game obviously had permission to use those songs or they wouldn't be in there. So I disputed this for free use and put a comment that the song was built into the game I was playing, which had permission to use it, and I was not playing music in the background during my live stream. And they released the claim. So I just wanted to share this. Hope it helps someone. Have a good day.